How to download TurboTax from Amazon after purchase. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can do exactly that. First of all, just open up any web browser you have, and then here simply search for amazon.com and hit enter. Just make sure that you are logged into your account. Now on the top right corner you'll find your account sign-in option, so click on sign in right here and then simply head over to sign in to your account. And once you're logged into your Amazon account, your homepage interface should look something like this. And at the top right corner, you have the orders and returns option. If you click right here, you'll be able to see all of your previous orders that you've placed, all of the returns that you've previously made, and all of those details. Right besides that, you have your account option. So simply head over to your account option right here. And once you land on the account page, there are different options. You just want to head over to this option that says digital services and device support. Click right here. And you have other options here as well. So what you need to do here is scroll down a bit. You just want to head over to this option that says show more and then find software and games. Just click right here and you'll immediately be taken to another page where you can get help troubleshooting common issues with downloading, installing, redeeming, and managing your Amazon digital purchase. So here you have to download the TurboTax, and after you've downloaded the application, what you need to do is you'll get a 14-digit string character code in a different combination of letters and numbers. You just have to enter that, and then you will be successfully able to download the TurboTax from Amazon after the purchase. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.